I'm Devlin, Devrel at Lilypad. Today, I'll be walking you through how to install the Lilypad CLI and start running your first job modules. To get started, visit the Lilypad documentation at docs.lilypad.tech. Then in the sidebar, click on Installation CLI, and then Install via officially released binaries. Lilypad offers two distinct installation options to cater to different roles within the network, being users and resource providers. In our use case, we're a user. I'm also currently doing a fresh install. If you've previously installed an older version of our CLI, make sure you uninstall with our instructions at the bottom before continuing. Back to the installation instructions, make sure you have the CLI Users tab selected, and hover over the code block and click on the copy button. Now take the copied code and paste it into your terminal to install the Lilypad CLI. Once the Lilypad CLI is finished downloading, you can type in Lilypad version to confirm that you're running the correct version of Lilypad. In our case, we're on 2.12.0. And if we go back to the documentation, you can visit our releases page in GitHub to make sure that we're on the most recent version. Once you've verified that you're on the latest version, you can go back to your terminal and type in Lilypad to get a list of available commands. Now, if we want to run some jobs, we'll need a wallet to fund them. Head back to the Lilypad documentation, and in the sidebar, click on Quick Start. For this video, I'll assume that you already have a wallet. If you don't, there's instructions in our docs on how to set up a MetaMask wallet, use the Arbitrum Sepolia testnet, and import the Lilypad testnet token. Keep in mind, it is highly recommended that you use a new wallet dedicated to Lilypad when interacting with the Lilypad testnet. In addition, if you're currently a resource provider for Lilypad, you must use a separate wallet to run jobs than the one that you're using to run a node. So for now, we'll skip this step and click on Funding Your Wallet. There's a couple of steps here. The first one being that in order to claim Lilypad testnet tokens from our faucet, you must be a member of our Discord, which you should be anyway if you're building on Lilypad. This is the best way to get in touch with the Lilypad team. Assuming that you've joined the Lilypad Discord, click on Get Testnet LP Tokens, and then navigate to our faucet. Here you'll need to log in with Discord to verify that you're a member of our server. Once you've logged in with Discord and verified your membership status, you can enter your wallet address and request your tokens. Head back to the Lilypad documentation and proceed to the next step. Get Arbitrum Sepolia testnet ETH. You can also obtain Arbitrum Sepolia ETH from a faucet. We provide a list of third-party faucets you can use to fund your wallet here. With our wallet funded, we're ready to run some Lilypad job modules. To get started, in the sidebar, scroll down to the Lilypad modules section and click on a module to run. We're going to start with something simple, like a Cowsay. First, you'll need to supply your wallet's private key, which you can see here. Alternatively, you can pass your Web3 private key in with each job using the -- Web3 private key flag. We're going to opt for an easier method in this video and instead set our Web3 private key as an environment variable in our terminal. Now in our terminal, you can paste in the command that we had earlier or type out export Web3 private key equals, and here you'll enter your wallet's private key. For this video, I'll do this step off screen. Make sure that you use your wallet private key and not the public address. Now we're all set to run job modules. Let's copy this Lilypad run Cowsay command here and paste it into our terminal. From here, you can customize the environment variable to be whatever message you like, but we'll just send in the default hello Lilypad. Now we can watch Lilypad Network send out our job offer and connect our offer to a resource provider that'll compute the job for us. Then it'll verify the results and return the output back to us. Now we have a few different options to display the results. I'll just copy this cat command here and paste it in. Now we just ran a Cowsay on Lilypad's decentralized network. To find more modules from the Lilypad team, you can visit the Lilypad modules section of the sidebar in our documentation. Or you can visit our awesome Lilypad repo at github.com/lilypadtech/awesomelilypad. If you scroll through the README to find the modules section, you'll find both modules from the Lilypad team as well as modules from the Lilypad community. For another example, let's run the stable diffusion module. We'll copy the entire command, including the environment variables. Paste that into your terminal, and from here we can customize the environment variable prompt to be whatever we like. I'll type in giant frog sitting on a Lilypad, and we'll submit the job offer. Lilypad Network will connect our offer with a resource provider to compute the job, verify the results, and then return those back to us. This job may take longer to run since it requires more resources. And here we can see the results returned back to us. I'll copy this open command and paste it. That should open a new Finder window with the results of the job output. From here, we open the outputs directory and we can view the giant frog sitting on a Lilypad. And now we've just run an SDXL module on the Lilypad's decentralized network.